Hello traders, before we get into this review, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Aura Superstar EA on the MetaTrader platform, and I'll be walking through the MQL5 Marketplace page, breaking down how it's presented, what the system is designed to do, and then looking at the historical backtesting to understand its behavior. So here we are on the MQL5 Marketplace page. This is Aura Superstar by Stanislav Tomilov, currently priced at $199 with version 1.1 updated in December 2022 and 10 activations available. From the marketplace information, I can confirm this EA supports both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So I'll be referring to MT4 and MT5. Looking at the description, our Superstar is presented as a fully automated trading system designed specifically around rollover time trading conditions. That already tells me it's targeting a very specific time window in the market rather than trading continuously throughout the day. The system is described as using machine learning cluster analysis and genetic scalping techniques combined with adaptive neural filters and classic indicators. While the exact internal logic isn't fully visible, the key takeaway here is that it is designed as a multi-layered decision system rather than a simple rule-based strategy. Another important point is that it is described as a multi-currency scalper. It trades several major pairs including Euro USD, USD CAD, GBP USD, USD Euro CHF, USD CHF, Euro AUD, and Euro GBP, which suggests the EA is not limited to a single market but instead distributes activity across multiple instruments. The EA is specifically designed to operate on the M15 time frame, and it also focuses on a defined trading window between start hour and end hour settings. So timing appears to be a key part of how this system is structured. In terms of risk structure, the developer clearly states that there is no martingale, no greed, and no hedge-based recovery logic involved. Each trade is managed with a hard stop loss and take profit, which suggests a more controlled approach to trade management. There are also practical details like automatic lot sizing based on balance and simple configuration inputs such as magic number, comment settings, and trading time controls. So overall, it looks designed to be relatively straightforward to deploy without heavy optimization. Now, before we move into the backtesting, it is worth noting the requirements mentioned. The EA is intended for ECN brokers, uses minimum deposit guidelines starting from around $50, and recommends higher leverage for proper functionality. It also emphasizes correct broker time settings, which is important for anything that relies on time-based execution. Now, let us move into the historical backtesting section and see how this EA behaves under past market conditions. All right, so when reviewing the historical testing performance, I'm focusing on how the system reacts during its defined trading hours and how it manages multiple currency pairs within that rollover trading window. All right, since this is a multi-currency scalping system, I'm observing whether activity appears concentrated during specific sessions and whether execution behavior changes depending on volatility conditions across different pairs. Now we can see that I'm testing the Aura Superstar MT5 on Euro USD on the M15 time frame as recommended, and we're testing it from the beginning of this year. Okay, so covering over about 5 months and 1 week data. We're using the last pin to the server for the delays, every tick modeling, and here we go. This is the result for the back testing. From $100,000 initial deposit, we had a total net profit of negative $345.35. The total trades taken were 36, short trades were 33, with a 66.67% win rate. Long trades were free with a 66.67% win rate. The largest profit was $400, largest loss was $1,815. Average profit was $128.33, average loss $285.45. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad. The average risk to reward ratio, judging from the average profit and average loss. All right, now let us quickly look at the chart history for a bit. The EA documentation also mentions that backtests shown are optimized and should not be directly assumed to reflect live conditions. So I'm treating this strictly as historical backtest results rather than forward expectations. So from a behavioral perspective, the system appears to be structured around short-term execution with strict risk control through fixed stop loss and take profit levels. That usually results in more defined trade outcomes rather than open-ended position management. All right, so we can also see that this EA seems to be targeting short-term price activity. All right, you can see another example here. You can see another example here. Okay, so the EA seems to be targeting short-term price activity and not really holding trades for very long. Now, overall, the Aura Superstar EA for MT4 and MT5 is presented as a time-specific multi-currency scalping system that combines machine learning concepts with structured risk control and fixed trade management rules. As always, I would recommend running longer term testing and experimenting with different broker conditions, spreads, and settings to fully understand how the EA behaves before considering any live deployment, since performance can vary significantly depending on market environment and execution quality. So before we round up, I'm just going to turn on the visuals. Let's just briefly see the EAs being active. Right, let's briefly see the EA active. Okay. Well, we already know that the EA is targeting short-term price activity, and based on the information that we already have access to on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we know that it is a multi-currency scalper. All right. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insights. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.